public comment at our last meeting, there was quite a few people that made comments about an incident involving one of the commissioners. I would like to state that I have been personally chastised by several people for not taking action, or this board taking action. I think the public needs to understand that this board, either any of us individually or us collectively, have no power to remove a sitting commissioner. There seems to be a lot of misunderstanding about exactly what this board should and should not do. Scott, I would ask you to please read the section that of the ethics ordinance that we have to abide by. And I want the public to understand that this board is not the judge and the jury. The people on this board, myself included, answer to the voters of this county. We do not answer to each other. It is the voters of this county that put us here, and absent a felony act, it is only the voters of this county that can remove us. So I want that understood as to why this board has not physically taken any action. It is because we have no power to act.
Mr. Chairman, the only place our code addresses any type of issue concerning one of your own members is in the Code of Ethics, and it follows process of a complaint. An investigation would be conducted by a county attorney in the name of a county within the judicial circuit. And I, of course, would not be involved in that. And then, if that attorney felt like it needed to go further, they would impanel a board of sorts of neighboring county attorneys to look into the matter, and they would make a recommendation to this board of commissioners as to what action they believe would be appropriate. And in the case of a commissioner, this board could issue a written reprimand or public censure, and they could impose a monetary fine not to exceed $1,000. That's really the stiffest penalties available to this board commission. So I hope that answers your question. I didn't read the code verbatim.
That's the information I wanted the public to understand. This body ultimately, if an ethics complaint is filed and adjudicated as positive, this body has to sit as a jury to hear that evidence and mete out whatever punishment this body deems appropriate. It would be very inappropriate for this body to take a stance, pro or against, until such time as that process has run its course. So I don't want the public to have the understanding, as they seem to have, that we have the personal ability to take action and should take action. So